Hello, and welcome back to Eat to Live Strong, where there's a lot of great things going on. And as promised, today I am inviting you to come clean and decorate with me my fall baker's rack with cookbooks galore and using items that was purchased from the Salvation Army and Joann's, and then, of course, shopping from my home. What you are viewing now is the baker's rack prior to the facelift. Cookbooks galore. And more cookbooks. So now we have a empty baker's rack where I have cleaned using Murphy's Oil soap or soapy water, and it is clean and ready to be decorated for the fall. So let's get started. I decided to use garland that was purchased from Joann's. They were buy two, get one free at a super great price. It was becoming for the attire with the vine housing grapes. How appropriate. If you would like to see the haul where the items I purchased from the Salvation Army and Joann's, that video is linked above. Please go by and check that video out. You are appreciated. And just like that, we have a baker's rack with some beautiful garland trimmed out the baker's rack for the fall. Now, I'm not going to bore you with talking about the items that I am putting on the baker's rack. I will label it in this video. You will see captions of what it is and where I purchased it from. But if you really want to see how much I pay for these items, please be sure to go by and check out that video from my haul on Sunday. The link will also be in the description box. I absolutely love cookbooks. It is a fun family time to pull recipes out and decide who's gonna cook what. Now, what's a fall baker's rack without something from the fall, a pumpkin. This candle was purchased back in the early 1990s. It was so adorable that I could never burn the candle, and it is so fitting for the attire of the baker's rack. Now, I must say, this is one of my favorite cookbooks. It was given to me as a wedding gift back in 1988, and I've used it for a lot of my recipes. And this cookbook means so much to me. It was given to me by my mother-in-law, rest in peace, before I got married. She actually penned a note in it that said, "A way to a man's heart is through his stomach, so get started." And so, with anything, we move things around, we restructure it, we put it into a position where it looks very inviting, and that's what I did here at this part of the video. And now that you have cleaned and decorated with me my fall baker's rack, I want to show you the final look. I would like to thank you for joining me today. Please be sure to view the full video, leave me a genuine comment about the video, thumbs me up, share me out because sharing is caring. But then if you're not a friend of mine on YouTube, please be sure to go down below and subscribe to the channel and then click that notification bell so that you can be notified of all my videos when they're uploaded. Thanks again for joining me. God bless you. See you next time. Love you long time. Bye-bye now.